All right, what do we have here?
Oven baked chicken.
Okay.
And I cook it like normal. I don't care if it's frozen or thawed out. It's up to you. I cook it both ways. Season it with a little bit of garlic, onion powder, pepper, salt, about 1/3 of a cup of honey, and a 1/3 cup of olive oil. So marinate all that together, rub it on the chicken, bake it. I usually bake it, if it's frozen, I bake it on low, about 350. But if it's not, I bake it on higher, about 425, and then turn it down low. After about an hour, give or take. Depends on how brown you want it to be. So then after that, I put for this, probably was about a stick of butter, maybe a half a stick, give or take. Depends on how you want it. Some Parmesan cheese, sprinkle or two, some garlic powder, or you can use real garlic. I use real garlic. I put that in the skillet, fry it up, and let it melt and marinate together. And then I just dab it on the chicken and put that back in the oven for about 5 minutes. Let it get all coated on top of it, and then it's time to eat.
Awesome. And it'll be ready for me for test time. All right. Tia's Kitchen. Oh, wow. Look at that. We have double stuffed potatoes. What's this, fried string beans? Man. And baked chicken. Look at this. Test time. Wow. It's baked Parmesan chicken. You can taste the Parmesan in it. Man. That's good. The meat is done, and the skin is cooked just right. Even though it's baked, it's still crisp like fried chicken. That's good. Green beans are good. Double stuffed potato is real good too, creamy. And you can taste the butter. Wow, very nice. Another satisfied customer at Tia's Kitchen.